Hi to everyone from Chef Angelo. Today recipe chicken marsala topped with portobello mushroom in marsala, sweet marsala cream sauce. Very popular recipe here in America and very easy to do. Let me show you the ingredients. Now the ingredients, okay? Pay attention. We got chicken breast, portobello mushrooms. Then we have olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic with already chopped little garlic. Marsala, we will use sweet marsala for this recipe. And heavy cream. First thing we do, we pound the chicken. Why? It tenderize a little bit. What I use normally, a plastic film like this. I cover, and then I got my pounder and pound a little bit. The chicken, it's a pound, really good. You can see the slice. It's like this. The second thing we are going to do, slice the mushroom. Normally I take it out, the stuff a little bit like this. Then I cut in half, and then I do a slice like this. Okay, take your time. Don't cut your fingers, of course. The mushroom is already cut. Let's go put all the ingredients together. Let me show you. And we have the chicken here, a flour. We put the chicken and the flour. Before I forget the flour and the ingredients we were needed. That's what we do with the flour. Now the flour, we put the flour of the chicken just like this. We turn it on our flame and we start with olive oil. Enough olive oil. It will be like 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces. Then we wait till the olive oil get a little warm. At least it gotta be hot. And then we put the chicken on. Now the olive oil, it's hot. And put the chicken slow, like this, and the oil. And not touch the pan. I make sure the chicken cook the flour outside, because this will make the chicken tender if we did a good job on the sauté the chicken. It takes a couple minutes to do this, and then we go to the next step. When the chicken is cooked 3/4 the way, it's time to flip over the chicken like this. When we flip over, this is the time to put the sliced mushroom on the frying pan. Now, the time the chicken will be cooked, the mushroom will be ready too. And we wait a little bit again. When we see this, we go to next step. Now the chicken is cooked and the portobello mushroom is cooked too. This is the time we can put a little salt on top of the chicken all over, and black pepper, top of the chicken all over. This is the time we put the chopped garlic. If the flame is too high, we can turn it down a little bit. The garlic we cooked will take like 30 seconds to give the flavor to the whole pan. And you can smell it. When you start to smell the garlic, you think it's cooked, which takes about 30 seconds. Then is the time we put the sweet marsala. Make sure you put the sweet marsala on top of the chicken and all over the pan. After we did this, we have to wait till the alcohol evaporated. The taste of the marsala stay with the chicken. Now, when you do chicken marsala, you can do without the heavy cream. This recipe is with the heavy cream. If you cannot have dairy or you are gluten free, the only thing you gotta do, don't put a flour on the chicken like I did in the start, and don't put the heavy cream for the dairy. You can still do this dish. It will taste a little different, but still very, very good. Now, I can smell the alcohol is out. The last thing we do is to put the cream and make sure the cream will reduce. You see it go to boiling a little bit. We gotta wait another minute or two. The mealtime you can do this, marinate the chicken with the old sauce. Perfect. We did wait a couple minutes, and you can see the sauce did reduce. It's boiling, and to me this is ready now. Now we will plate the dish. Put like this, and with the spoon we can get the cream of the chicken. That is chicken marsala in cream sauce topped with portobello mushrooms. Let's taste this. Okay, it's ready to try chicken marsala in cream sauce with mushroom on top. I'm sure you do this very soon. I am trying for you now, but if you make in your house, you can try too, okay? Oh. Very, very good. Easy recipe to do. You can enjoy make this dish, prepare this dish for all your family, and what else I can say? I'll see you next video. Ciao, ciao.